have to do one of these riverboat cruises. So I'm gonna go do one.
Hello everybody, how are y'all doing today? Welcome to our beautiful San Antonio River Walk. There are 400,000 1-inch by 1-inch square tiles that make up that beautiful mosaic there. On the backdrop of the stage represent the 5 missions here in San Antonio. So if you look way up at the top of the tower, you'll see gargoyles sticking out of it. Alright you guys, we are about to go under floodgate number 3. Floodgate number 3 weighs 3 tons and it comes straight down just like a guillotine. That's a fig tree, and that fig tree is growing out of the wall. Look at that. Well, you guys, thank you so much for riding with me today. I do hope you enjoy your stay here in San Antonio.
Definitely worth 10 bucks. Check that out if you're in the area. I'm gonna go up and watch the laser show up at San Fernando Cathedral. Subscribe, and yeah, we'll leave the end screen up while you're watching the laser show. There you go.